If you are looking to make some extra cash from your woodworking skills, today's video is for you. We are going to look at mini woodworking projects that sell fast. These small but mighty projects can bring in big profits, and best of all, they do not take a lot of time to make. Mini wall shelves. These are simple to make and super popular. You can create different shapes: square, triangle, or even hexagon. People love these for organizing small spaces, and they sell fast, especially if you use reclaimed wood for a rustic look. These small pieces can be made in just a few hours. Wooden coasters. These little guys are a hit in the market, especially with custom engraving or unique designs. You can create sets of 4 or 6, and they make excellent gifts. Also, they are small, so they do not take up much space in your workshop. Key holders. A simple wooden key holder with hooks is something people need but often overlook. You can personalize these with names or quotes, making them great for homes or as gifts. It's quick to make and easy to sell at craft fairs or online. Phone stand. These are tiny, functional, and extremely popular. With people using their phones for everything, a small, sturdy phone stand is a must-have. You can add a sleek design or even make it adjustable, and it sells fast on places like Etsy. Photo frames. Wooden frames, especially when distressed or painted in fun colors, are always in demand. They are easy to make in different sizes and can be sold quickly. Add a little personalization, and they are a hit for weddings, holidays, or family portraits. Candle holders. These are simple, yet they can add so much character to any room. Whether it's a single candle holder or a small tray with multiple slots, these sell fast at home decor stores or online. You can add carvings or paint them to make them stand out. Mini storage boxes. A small, wooden box with a hinged lid is perfect for keeping small items like jewelry, letters, or keepsakes. You can add compartments inside for extra organization, and they are a great item to sell online or at local markets. Mini plant pot holders. These are simple to make and highly trendy. Whether it's a stand for small succulents or a hanging holder for tiny plants, these are small, affordable to make, and quick to sell, especially with the growing trend of indoor plants. Wooden magnets are also a great mini project. You can make them into fun shapes, like animals, quotes, or even custom designs. People love personalized magnets for their fridges, and they are perfect for bulk sales at markets or online. Wooden jewelry holders. These are small, stylish, and super popular with people who like to keep their accessories organized. A simple wooden stand with hooks or a small tray can be made in no time and is easy to sell, and there you go. 10 mini woodworking projects that sell fast. Each of these is simple, quick to make, and can bring in steady income. Whether you are looking to sell online or at craft fairs, these projects are a perfect way to start earning money with your woodworking skills. So, which project are you going to try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more woodworking ideas and tips.